Welcome everyone to Appitravel. Today we're going to show you how to get started with the combo package, which you could actually earn some awesome commissions from. So real quick, I'm going to show you how to get activated with the combo package for $100, and of course little fees may be attached to it. So real quick, once you log into your back office, and what you need to do is scroll down here to combo packages, right? So let's click on this and see what options they have for this. Y'all see I clicked on combo package. It's showing over here on the side. And guys, here are the benefits of ordering this combo pack. Basically, you come in at a $35 level, which allows you to actually earn $25 in commissions. Plus, it's even up package, right? It allow you to actually earn 100% match. So this is powerful when you start referring people, right? Now let's back and find the combo package, right? So basically you're in your account here. What you do to find the $100 combo pack so you can benefit and earn that 100% match, all you got to do is click here for full list of products. Okay, now you need to choose combo package, right? You're going to choose 100 one time out of pocket, one time. Click that, order now. Okay, now choose. You got 5 options: coin payments, which is Bitcoin; solid trust pay; perfect money. It all depends what country you in. USA, I know they only allow coin payments, and eventually Master and Visa card, right? So you can pay your one time out of pocket with these payment processor choices. For instance, I'm going to show you an example. We're going to choose Bitcoin, and I did find out, guys, to make it easier, Cash App is good with Bitcoin. Many of y'all can actually use Cash App to purchase this Explorer package, combo package here. So for instance, we're gonna choose Coin payments. You can pay with Coin payments. You use Coinbase. You can use Cash App and stuff like that to fund your account, and it actually give you the total $104. Remember, I told you a little fee may be added in earlier. So all you do is click this box here, put in your name, your email, first and last name, and guys, after that, what you do is going to generate a BTC wallet that you need to send the funds to. Copy that BTC wallet address that they give you, and then from there, what you do is go on your Coinbase or Cash App and send $104 in BTC to the I'll show you live real quick, just an example. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go to complete checkout, right? So you see what I'm saying. Yeah, basically what you do, whatever address they give you, you copy that, go to your Coinbase blockchain or Cash App wallet or Exodus wallet, and send your funds to the address that they give you. Then also copy the amount right here, and actually go through Cash App, Coinbase, and send the exact amount so it can process. And once it's sent, it's gonna keep this page open, this invoice page open, this checkout page open, right? And then wait for it to say paid, and then it's gonna say you can return the seller. So that's how you do that. And then all you gotta do from there, just wait for the confirmation, and then you should see it in your back office. It's active. So that's how you fund your account with Bitcoin, through Appitravel for the $100 combo package, right? So if you have an issue or problems, please contact support, and they'll be glad to get with you. And going back to dashboard, of course, I was just showing this as an example, but basically just contact support, and they'll be glad to get with you. And thank you for watching this video.